Hello guys, welcome to this video. It's your boy Ghana Goswill aka Double GFX. And in this video, I'm going to do our weekly analysis and we're going to check out some of the pairs I have on my watch list and what I anticipate of this upcoming week. The market has been moving very volatile and crazy these past few weeks, and we've seen some series of events happening, some of which will just go to grab some liquidity before moving on. But regardless, we have some interesting lineups for the week. I'm going to briefly explain my top three pairs for the week and let's see how they look out. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into the chart. So, first on my watch list is Euro USD, and we're going to analyze this pair just like we usually do. Firstly, what we like to do is to go on our weekly time frame, which is where we are, and look at what the market structure there is looking like. So as you can see, market has been giving us series of highs and lows. We had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then more of like a double top around here. Then price switch direction, started giving us series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and price is currently around this region right here. So from our weekly time frame, from just the structure we're having, from our weekly, we can see our weekly time frame is let's put it right here. Our weekly, okay, hold on. Our weekly is bearish. Then on our daily time frame, we'll do the same sort of analysis to see what we are having on our daily time frame. Our daily time frame, we could see price giving us series of, let's start from here, lower low, lower high, l- lower high, lower low, then price started ranging, then continue giving us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, ranged a bit, lower low, lower high, then started giving us highs and lows. Then once more we had a switch that gave us lower low. This is the lower high that has formed, and price is currently retracing around this region. So from our daily time frame, price has been switching both from being bullish and bearish. But from what we are currently seeing, we can clearly see that market is also bearish on this pair. So we'll just come straight ahead and write our daily. Our daily is bearish. Our 4 hour time frame, which is last of all, and if you can see from our daily time frame, we're having something like left shoulder, head, then right shoulder around our area of interest where price reacted from. Our price is already pushing to the downside. So in this pair, we can say price is bearish, just like we determined, and it should have been a good entry point around this cycle level right here, but we didn't get this entry. Anyways, let's continue. Our 4 hour time frame. So from our 4 hour time frame, price was giving us series of lows and highs, lower low, lower low, lower high, then switch to bullish, then once more switch to bearish. So this is what we are having on our lower time frame. You can see from 4 hour time frame, price was giving us highs, then switched to giving us series of lows and highs. So at this point, we can see price is that place where I'm writing it. From our 4 hour, we can see price is 4 hour price is bearish. This is so since we have 3 time frames in sync, we are only looking for sell opportunities on this pair. So we have our three time frame in sync, both our daily, our 4 hour, and our weekly. So since we have all of them in sync, we are only looking for sell opportunities on this pair, and that will happen when we come and get probably a lower high of this low that was broken, which will be around this level that serves as both a resistance and support level. That's this area right here. So I'm expecting price to come and give us maybe a retracement to the upside before going down. But in general, I will be looking for sell opportunities on EURUSD for the week. So I'm going to post once we have our positive entry signal, I'll be posting the signal on my Telegram channel. Make sure to join it. The link is on the description below. Make sure to click and join our community where I share some of my trades. So moving forward, we have GBP card on our next watch list, and let's do the same approach we had analyzing this other pair. So on GBP card, we have this from our last week analysis. From weekly, let me just do away with this. This all these lines you guys are seeing, they are my cycle levels. I already identified them. They are like a default settings of my chart, so never mind. So on this pair, we have price giving us series of highs and lows, just moving bullish before, then switched to bearish and started ranging around this zone. And price last week got to this our strong area of resistance and gave us a beautiful engulfing candlestick. So on this pair, it's a kind of a ranging market, not necessarily giving us a direction. That's from our weekly time frame. So from our weekly, we have price to be, let's indicate it. Weekly price is still bullish. It's ranging. Let's put it that way. Price is ranging. Let's go to our daily time frame and see what we're having there. So on our daily time frame, we had series of highs and lows before. Yeah, we had this high. It's more of like a head and shoulder. We have break and retest of neckline. This, so price are giving us. So when price got to around this region, we had rejection to the downside, and boom, this is where price is. So from our daily, price is looking bearish because of this market structure. So from our the network is slowing. The network is slow. Okay, yeah, we are back online. So from our daily, we have price to be bearish. So from our 4 hour, let's see what we are having. From our 4 hour, without even spending much time on the chart, we can clearly see price giving us series of lows and highs, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So from our 4 hour time frame, it's very glaring that price is also bearish. So from our 4 hour, price is also bearish. So now we have two time frames in sync. So since we have two time frame in sync, we are going to be looking for sell opportunities on this pair also, because of what we have going on and because of this beautiful engulfing candlestick we had from last week. So we expect price to drop from here after having a triple touch of this our area of interest. So we'll be looking for sell opportunities on this pair within the week. I'm going to share the signal if a positive entry signal presents itself and we're able to capitalize on the move. I'll send it to our Telegram channel. Last I'm going to analyze with you guys is NZD USD. And NZD USD, we can see, let's get rid of this market structure. So from this pair, we can see our price has been very bearish. The overhead direction is down. So this price from our weekly is bearish. Our daily is we had price giving us series of highs and low, then switch giving us higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then switch giving us lower low, then lower high. Then just around this region, we can see how price is reacting to this area of interest. We can say price is bearish on our daily time frame. Then from our 4-hour time frame, let's see what we have there. For our 4-hour time frame, price was giving us series of highs. Price is looking bullish from 4-hour because price came all the way here, give us high, came all the way here, give us high. So on this pair, price is currently looking bullish. But on a situation where we have a break and retest of this area, we're going to look for buy opportunities. And if we see break and retest around here, as break and retest, we are going to look for a short opportunity here. So since on our 4-hour time frame we have price to be bearish, so on our 4-hour time frame we have price to be bearish, so we'll be looking out for our positive entry signal. Once we have our entry signal, we're going to send the signal to our community group. We have other pairs on our watch list which we are going to be paying attention to. If you have positive entry signal on any of these pair, I have a lot on my watch list, but these are the top ones for the week. Anyone I have a positive entry signal and I'm having some series of confirmation, I'll send the signal to my Telegram channel. Make sure to join it if you don't want to miss out on this week's gems. We have some fire trades coming up. And yes, that's that for the week. So we're just going to pay attention, remain patient, and see what the market and the opportunity that comes for us within the week. So until next time, I remain WGFX. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure to turn on your notification to receive more of this kind of content from me on a weekly basis, where I come here and explain how my analysis and what I expect for the week. On gold, well, I'm not going to say much about this because gold is currently at the all-time high. So yeah, we'll also drop signal on gold if we should see it a positive entry signal also. So until next time, I remain WGFX. Peace out.